Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we have a subscriber request. I have made an amaretto pound cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have the ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 3 cups of granulated sugar, 6 eggs at room temperature, 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 cup of amaretto, and here we have 2 teaspoons of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The full recipe will be listed down below in the description box, and the oven has been preheated to 300 degrees. I have the butter and the cream cheese. I'm going to turn the mixer on, mix until well combined, and then I'm going to add the granulated sugar. Once I add the sugar, I'm going to let the mixer run for about 5 minutes. I'll come back, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl, then add the eggs one at a time. Once I add an egg, I like to wait for the yolk to break before adding the next. Then I'm going to go in with the extracts. And then finally, we're gonna add our flour mixture. I'm gonna add half of the flour, then I'm gonna go in with the amaretto, and then the other half of the flour. So this is a pan. We're going to use to bake the cake. I'm going to start by generously spraying with pan baking spray. Now I'm going to go in with the cake batter. Again, our oven has been preheated to 300 degrees. This will bake for about an hour and a half. I'll adjust that time if needed, but as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. Here we have the ingredients for the amaretto sauce. We have 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 4 tablespoons of amaretto. So I'm going to cook everything together on the stove on a low heat. So I'll be back to show you guys what that looks like once I get it started. Here the butter is melted, so now I'm going to add the sugars. This is on a medium-low heat. I'm just going to stir until our sugars have just about dissolved, and then I'm going to go in with the heavy cream and the amaretto. So this is what our butter and sugars are looking like. Now I'm going to go in with the heavy whipping cream and the amaretto. I'm going to let this stay on the heat for about 5 minutes until we get a nice simmer, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat so it can cool. Here I have a 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. I'm just going to lightly toast these to put on top of the cake when it's done. Here's the cake after 1 hour, 30 minutes in the oven. We're going to let it hang out in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back to turn it out onto a plate. This is what our cake looks like after removing it from the pan. It had no issues at all releasing. I'm going to let it hang out for a bit to cool, and then we'll be back to finish the cake. So here we have the amaretto sauce that we made earlier. I'm going to drizzle a bit of this on the cake, and then I'm going to add the toasted almonds, and then I'm going to come back and add some more of the sauce on top. So I do have some sauce left over that can easily be added to individual slices of the cake if you like. So let me clean up my mess really quickly, and then I'll bring you guys in for a closer shot. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our amaretto pound cake. Guys, this cake was delicious. My niece was over here when I made it, so hopefully she'll chime in down below in the comment section and let you guys know what she thought of it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget forget to give it a huge thumbs up before you leave. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.